Okay guys, in this video I'm going to look at Cardano, also known as ADA, from a complete technical perspective. So if you're completely new to the crypto market or any market for that matter, you're probably wondering, how do I actually analyze and understand where price could potentially be going on a particular coin that I'm trading against any currency, whether that's against Cardano against the US dollar or Cardano against Bitcoin. How do I actually work that out? In this video, I'm going to show you how to utilize technical analysis to predict where price is going next. So as you can see here, we have Cardano ADA against US dollar, right? So what we're essentially doing is, if we're buying Cardano against the US dollar. If we're selling, it means we're selling Cardano again. And sorry, it means we're selling Cardano and buying the US dollar. So that's what we can see at the moment. Now, we'll start off with the monthly time frame. From the monthly time frame, all we're trying to figure out is, where is the overall trend going, right? So we can see here in 2017, of course, we saw the massive bull run, pretty much against all cryptocurrencies. So Cardano also went to an all-time high of $1.40. Now, with that being said, in 2018, we saw a sharp decline to the downside, again, like most cryptocurrencies. So we're also seeing a trend here, how a lot of the cryptocurrencies are almost trending together in a natural almost rhythm, right? So when they all go up, they all tend to go in that direction, and also when they go down, likewise, right? So the monthly time frame, we're looking at the overall trend, and now we can see that we're slowly starting to trend to the upside. And of course, that bull trend begun in 2020, right? So we're trending towards the upside. So what we want to do first is, we want to draw in a support for our lowest level, which would be this price here, right? Which would be, let's say, 3 cents. So it's lowest level of support. So technically we shouldn't see price go below this level anytime soon. Hopefully not anyway if you're buying. And then we want to look for price with the highest, where price has gone the highest, which would be this level here. So overall, we have a range now. So right, price is now within a range. So support, this would be our support level. This would be a resistance level. And until price breaks out of this range and creates a new high, we're essentially going to be stuck within this channel for the meantime. So what are we looking for? We're looking for a buy either up to our next resistance area, which will be this level. Now, of course, that's if you're day trading Cardano. If you're not, then obviously you look for a hold, right? Looking to buy long term and just looking for good entry points. Now, of course, we want to look for smaller levels of support and resistance. So our next mini resistance would be this level, and as you can see, we've actually broken that level now. Now, how did I come to this this price, right? How did I find the resistance area here? Well, I'm looking for where price has rejected the most. So as you can see, we got one rejection here, we've got another rejection here, and this is the monthly time frame, and then we also have another rejection here in 2020 in December. But we've finally broken out of this area now, and now what we want to do is put in our next level of resistance where price could potentially go. Now, I'm not going to confuse you guys, but once it's broken through this resistance area here, this level now becomes a support. So this resistance level would now be a support, right? And potentially we don't want to see price close below this level, because it indicates that we're going to move back down to the downside. So where will price go next once we've broken the support? Yep, you've got it right. Our next resistance area, which is at 75 cents. And obviously this is what we use to predict where price will go next. Now, we don't know the exact time that it's going to hit that area, but we do know that this is the next key area of resistance, where if you're buying, this is where you'll be looking to essentially take profit. Now, with that being